Hey everyone! Today, we're going on a tasty adventure to Korea. We're going to explore the amazing world of Korean street food and make a dish that's super easy and super yummy. Korean street food is famous all over the world. From tteokbokki to twigim, there's something for everyone. It's perfect for a quick bite or a fun food adventure. Today, we're making one of my favorite comfort foods, Korean egg and rice. It's simple, savory, and oh so satisfying. Let's get cooking! Korean egg and rice, also called gyeran, is a dish everyone in Korea loves. It's often a quick and easy breakfast, but it can also be a light and yummy lunch or dinner. The best part about this dish is how simple it is. Fluffy white rice is topped with a perfectly fried egg, then drizzled with sesame oil and sprinkled with toasted sesame seeds. Want to make it spicy? Add a dollop of gochujang, Korean chili paste. This dish is so versatile. You can add your favorite toppings and flavors. Let's grab our ingredients and start cooking. You only need a few things to make this dish. You can find them at your local Korean grocery store. Cooked white rice. Use short grain rice for the best results. Jasmine or sushi rice work great too. Eggs. We'll be frying these to perfection. Sesame oil. This adds a nutty smell and flavor to the dish. Toasted sesame seeds. These give it a bit of crunch and extra flavor. Gochujang, Korean chili paste. This is optional, but it adds a spicy kick. Salt and pepper, just to taste. Now that we have everything, let's move on to the fun part, cooking. Ready to make this super easy dish? Let's go! Heat a little bit of sesame oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Crack an egg directly into the pan, being careful not to break the yolk. Cook the egg how you like it. Sunny side up, over easy, or over hard, it's up to you. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Place a big scoop of cooked white rice into a bowl. Top with the fried egg. Drizzle a little more sesame oil over the egg. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds. Add a dollop of gochujang on the side if you want. Mix everything together or enjoy it separately. For extra flavor, try adding some chopped kimchi, sautéed mushrooms, or a sprinkle of seaweed flakes. You can also enjoy your Korean egg and rice with some soup or banchan, Korean side dishes. And there you have it! A simple, delicious, and satisfying Korean egg and rice that you can easily make at home. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below.